Hello everyone. I hope that you all doing well. This is me, Sayyid Shujatullah. So today we are discussing the agriculture chapter, that is part 4. And I should tell all of you that already with regard to agriculture chapter, we have completed all these slides. These all slides are over. So those who are watching me for the very first time, so they can also go through the previous videos of economic survey and get a idea which is very important for the preliminary examination. So these were all over in our last video. So I'm just sliding through. Why? Because those who are watching me regularly, they will get the idea that what we have already completed in agriculture sector. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about this one point. International trade in agricultural commodities. From here we have to start. So with regard to exports means rice, wheat, pulses, cotton, sugar cane. Okay, we are exporting to other countries or not? Yes. If we consider the total value of exports, okay, it is almost about 252,000 crore rupees of exports we do with regard to agriculture and allied sector exports, including milk, including meat, all that. Okay, so majority of our agriculture and allied exports are taken by USA. So yeah, US is the largest importer, you can say. Okay, and or else we can say that we are the largest exporter of agriculture and allied products to USA. So USA takes us lot of imports of us, followed by we. Second one is Saudi Arabia, followed by Iran, Nepal, and Bangladesh. So please do remember the chronological order. Okay, the largest importers of agriculture and allied activities. Okay, like that the question may come. It is a USA. Since 1991, okay, India has remained a net exporter of agriculture products. So very good this is. A net exporter means what? So agriculture imports India will do. Let's suppose that India has done agriculture exports of 100 crores. But India has done agriculture imports of 100 crores. But India have done 200 crore rupees of exports. Okay, so 100 करोड़ आए, 100 करोड़ गए, 200 करोड़ रुपए अपने पास आए. ओके, तो अपन प्रॉफिट में है या नहीं है? यस, हम सरप्लस में है, हम सरप्लस में है. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नेट एक्सपोर्टर. कभी भी नेट एक्सपोर्टर ऐसा वर्ड इफ यू हैव सीन, always remember it is a positive connotation. It is a positive connotation. India is a net exporter means हम ज्यादा एक्सपोर्ट्स करते हैं, आगे वाला कम एक्सपोर्ट्स करता. ओके, so we are very happy. It means what our agriculture and allied sector is doing really well when compared to okay many other countries in the same category of developing. Top agriculture and related products exported from India were. तो इनका composition क्या है? What kind of composition we are having? So ये जो marine products है, like जो ocean से, जो भी sea से, जो river से, whatever the marine products are there, no, they constitute larger exports than basmati rice, buffalo meat, spices, non-basmati rice, cotton raw, oil meal, sugar, castor oil, and tea. So these are all mentioned in our economic survey, so you should be thorough in that. Okay, these are the major compositions of exports that India do to these countries. Total agriculture export basket accounts for a little over 2.5%. लिटिल ओवर 2.5% ऑफ वर्ल्ड एग्री ट्रेड. सो ओवरऑल देखे गया तो हम उतना खास नहीं कर रहे. ओके, बट इंडिविजुअली देखे गया तो वी आर डूइंग वेल. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज सपोज in the world see the agriculture exports of all the countries, let's suppose it will be always 100% or not? Yes, पूरे दुनिया के जितने भी countries हैं, let's suppose the total agriculture exports of total countries is 100%, but we are just accounting how much? 25%. Means बहुत कम. Okay, so we have to increase our production. Okay, we have to increase our export with respect to what? Our share in what? Agri export. Our share in agri export. But on a personal basis, on an individual account, India is doing very well from the various facts that we have seen here. Okay. Then changes in the composition of agriculture exports. So over a period of time, what happened? See, basmati rice is there. It was exported more. Slowly, slowly, it is decreased. Sugar cane is there. It was exported less. Slowly, slowly, over a period of time, over decades and years, their exports increase. This is called as change in composition. Means the product which was having more share in exports slowly reduce, and the products which are having less share, they increase. So that is what we are going to study here. Okay. If you see this one, okay, ब्लू कलर वन, ब्लू कलर इज डिनोटेड विद मरीन प्रोडक्ट्स. तो देखिए आप 2017-18 इसका इतना था, 2018 to 19 50, okay, here they are around 55 or 40, 20% में था. Okay, then we are here in 2019 to 20 और छोटा हुआ, 2021 बड़ा हुआ. Okay, it becomes bigger, the export became bigger. Okay, so are you getting my point? So if you see the chart, you don't see much difference with regard to agriculture exports over a period of time, except with respect to what marine products. ये marine products ही ऊपर नीचे हुए. बाकी क्या देखो, ये भी देखो. What is this? This is sugar. Sugar इतना कम export होता था, थोड़ा बड़ा, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा, and it even more, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही. Okay. So this is called as change in composition. Over a period of time, what happened? The share of exports of a particular product increased and some of the particular product decreased. This is what we have seen here. Okay. इसका भी देखो. Okay. What is this? Spices. छोटा था बहुत. Okay, the exports became increased, then decreased, then increased. So it is a very common phenomena that increase decrease just generally happens. Okay. So this is what all about change in composition of agriculture exports. Then minimum support price, a very hot topic even today. Farmer protest is going on. Today is 6th March, is 23rd March. Today is 23rd March 2021. So morning 5 a.m. in India, in my Hyderabad. So minimum support price. What is minimum support price? Very commonly, I will tell you. Okay, a brief of it I will tell you. Minimum support price is nothing but the guaranteed price, guaranteed remunerative price announced by government of India to the farmers, on their agriculture produce, Okay, so and it is very important that you should know the MSP is announced not for all crops, only for selected crops. Okay, generally I don't exactly, but 20 to 25 crops will be there, like 23 crops or 24 crops. So for those crops only, this particular MSP is announced. A guaranteed price means if you produce that crop, okay, 1 quintal will be sold on a profitable price, on a price fixed by what? Government of India. On a price fixed by Government of India. This is actually the debate which is going on with the farmers' protest. Okay. So the farmer protest has got some other problems also. First of all, the agriculture is a state subject. Okay. When agriculture is a state subject and you promote cooperative federalism, but you have not taken the states into consideration while passing the bill. Okay, this is the biggest. This is like the constitutional obligations you are bypassing. You are bypassing what constitutional obligations. Okay, at least you would have done consultation with the state, because the states which are not in the favor of them would have asked for some amendments, and so that the farmers wouldn't have protested and they are wasting a lot of time. Okay, so agriculture is state subject. Why did you interfere in the state subject? So you are what you are talking about for cooperative federalism, but what you have done, you are infringing what federalism. You are infringing federalism. This is another issue. Okay. Second one is, if you are so sure about MSP, what is the use of giving assurances when you can put that MSP clause in the law itself? It's just a matter of a day that you can put a ordinance, and in the same way what will happen, MSP will be put as a statutory provision under the acts, but you are not doing that. We are not doing so. Why to keep apprehensions among the farmers that that MSP would not be implemented or would be implemented? Why to keep them in apprehensions? So give them assurance. Just put this MSP. Okay, they just want that whether you sell to Tata, whether you sell to Birla, whether you sell to both are said Tata, Birla, and you sell to any other Reliance, you sell the produce to any of these bigger jets. That's not an issue. The issue is that we produce, as a farmers, we produce something. Okay, you maintain a clause called as MSP, and whatever the MSP is there, we'll sell to anyone, because we are not here. Farmers are not here to sell only to one class or one section of society, right? Wherever they feel it convenient, they will go and sell. So what is the problem here? The problem is not that you are giving a push to the capitalists. The problem is that you are not assuring MSP in the form of what? Statutory clause. That is the problem. Okay. अभी तो ठीक भी नहीं है, धूप में है बेचारे. Farmers are in the very scorching sun in the Delhi. Okay, I don't know. Some people told me that it is fog over there, raining over there, but soon, because ये तो महीने हैं summer season, so I request all the I cannot request anyhow. I hope that government listen to them and all the farmers should be at peace and ease, and they should return to their home and start doing what they do best. Okay. Minimum support price. Union budget for the 2018 and 2019 has announced MSP would be kept at the level of 1.5 times of the cost of production. 1.5 times means double से भी ज़्यादा. 100 रुपए है तो इसका double कितना हुआ? Okay, 100 रुपए means if you have produced rice at 100 rupees per kg, double of that is 100 again. Then 5 means again half, 50. So 250 rupees. Okay, so this is called as 1.5 times of the cost of production. Right. The highest increase in MSP announced is for Niger seed, sesame, urad dal, and cotton, which is long staple. Bada wala. Okay, long staple. So important. Do remember this point. And highest expected returns. Okay, highest expected returns, highest in case of what? Bajra. Okay, बेचे तो सबसे ज्यादा पैसे किस पे आए? Okay, बाजरा पे 83% एक्स्ट्रा मनी आए. लास्ट ईयर 100 रुपए में बेच रहा था. Okay, बाजरा 1 kg. Now I am able to 182 rupees, 183 rupees. So highest jump in the returns of the crop is seen in bajra, followed by urad dal. Remember this one. The economic survey will be very important document, so you should be aware of it. So you will get few questions, and also it will be very handy when you are writing the mains examination if you are aware of this information. So do share it to your friends so that they will also get helpful. Okay, and promote the video. Okay, MSP of rabi crops. The highest increase in MSP has been announced for what? Lentil. Okay, this is not important. Gram and rapeseed and mustard, for your information I have given. Safflower 112 rupees per quintal. Highest in case of what? Wheat, followed by rapeseed. This is called again returns. Okay, wheat को before 100 rupees में बेचे थे, now you are able to get what? 106% mean 206 rupees. 100 rupees से भी ज़्यादा extra मिला, 106 rupees extra मिला. So highest returns are in case of rabi crops, highest return is with respect to what? Wheat, followed by rapeseed and mustard. Okay, and highest MSPs announced by the government of India is for these three crops. Then what about the crop insurance? You know that very famous scheme is being run, okay, from the government of India, that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It is a comprehensive risk solution scheme. Comprehensive risk solution scheme means if you are at if your crops are at the risk, okay, maybe because of a epidemic, maybe because of what? Fire, maybe because there is a drought, okay, due to some reason, maybe because cyclone has washed away your crops. So if your crop is at risk, this scheme provides solution. Okay, comprehensive means it covers various aspects, okay, of risk. It covers various aspects of risk, maybe because of this, etc. Initiative to provide a comprehensive risk solution at the lowest uniform premium across the country. Okay, lowest means कम से कम government premium पूछ रही farmers को. Uniform means all over the India same premium you have to pay. Uniform means सबके लिए एक ही rate रहेगा across the country for the farmers. End to end risk mitigation mechanism. Okay, या pre harvest रहो या post harvest रहो. Okay, land area है, पहले कोई खराब ड्रॉट हो गया तो आप कर ही नहीं सकते ना agriculture. This is also covered means drought nahi hai agar crops are grown, then because they are lost because of due to any disaster or due to any kind of other man-made whatever the activities are there. So pre bhi cover hai, pro bhi cover hai. So end to end risk mitigation. Mitigation means decreasing the impact of crop loss by the farmers. Coverage for entire cropping cycle, that is what I have told you, pre-sowing to post-harvest. Okay, include coverage of for losses arising out of prevented sowing. Prevented means अब drought है तो अब तो sowing ही नहीं कर सकते ना. So it is called as prevention हो गया. Prevention of sowing or not? Yes. So this is called as prevented sowing. So remember this point. Individual farm level losses arising out of localized climate is. So in this scheme, you know that our country is very diverse with regard to climate, with regard to religion, with regard to race, etc. So and so forth. So this area will be affected by cyclones. This area will not be affected by cyclones. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, this area will be affected by what? Drought. This area will be affected by floods. And if you see the Jammu and Kashmir, they will be affected by snow. If you see the western India, they will be affected by what storms, etc. So there are some areas are there which are having what localized events are also responsible for the crop loss. Localized events means the same events will not be there in any part of the country, restricted to that particular area. So under this Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, even those localized events are also covered. Okay, such as inundation. Inundation बोल तो पानी भर जाना. Okay, पानी ज़्यादा पड़ना, rainfall ज़्यादा हो के पूरा crop loss हो जाना, पानी भर जाना. Cloud burst, suddenly rainfall हो गया. Flash mob बोल के dance कर देना IT companies and big corporate में. तो ये भी क्या है? Cloud burst means suddenly पानी ज़्यादा पड़ना, crop should loss, and natural fire से भी हो सकता. Okay. The average sum insured per hectare has increased from 15,100 to 40,700. Okay. तो मिनिमम तो 15,000 तक का कोई भी रिस्क कवर कर सकता, एंड इट इंक्रीज टू व्हाट 40,000 भी मिल सकते हैं आपको. द स्कीम कंप्लीटेड 5 सक्सेसफुल ईयर्स. ओके, फरवरी 2016 में लॉन्च करे थे. लॉन्च ऑन फरवरी 2016. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. तो 5 साल प्रॉपर्ली हो गए. It is voluntary for the farmers. Farmers, if you're interested, you please take it. If you're not interested, light. Okay. So PM Kisan. Okay, 2019 it was launched to provide income support to all holders, landholders, farmers family across the country with cultivable land. With cultivable land. So जो भी farmers है जिनके पास land है उनके लिए PM किसान है. Okay, PM किसान. ये scheme है. So it is called as what income support scheme. Always remember, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Okay, so ये income support scheme है. You will be given what? That was Bima. That was Bima. Okay, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was a Bima insurance scheme. This is what investment scheme. Very very important point. Investment scheme means the farmer will be given some kind of money so that they can start its agriculture related aspects. Okay, so 6,000 per year is released in 3 installments. So every farmer will be given 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Maybe Kharif में 2,000, Rabi में 2,000, Zaid 2,000. Okay, income support scheme वो छोटे छोटे जो भी रहते requirements of the farm that will be done. That will done with the help of this scheme. So farmer will not be under stress. Okay, 2019 may launch guide to provide what income support to all farmers. Okay, across the country which are having what land है तो ही मिलता, land नहीं है तो नहीं मिलता. ये इसका support नहीं मिलता. You should be a landholder, then only you will get what 6,000, that to 2,000 in installments. कोई भी चीज installment में दिए तो we will not like it, right? Okay, but that is how the schemes work. So thank you so much for hearing to me. I'll come up with more awesome lectures for you. If you like it, please do subscribe it and share it to all your friends. Bye bye. Have a nice day.